Hey everybody, and welcome back to Glitter Nails. I am back with another tutorial. So I have my client here who is going to be getting a new set. So what I did first was clip off her old set, and now I'm going to go in with my volcano bit here. And I believe I got this off Amazon. I believe it was like $10 or so. It's one of my favorite bits to use. It debulks really well. It gets into the corners of the nail really well, and that's why this will always be my favorite nail bit. And I'm just debulking the nail because I'm in preparation for soaking off this nail with acetone safely. Now I'm going to be taking my foil and cotton ball, and I'm going to be using this to remove the old acrylic off my nail. Now my method is to buy my own foil because I do not like the nail wraps. They're too short, and I kind of like to make my own nail wraps because I think the bigger they are, the more heat the finger can hold, which more helps the acetone melt away that acrylic. So this is how I use the foil to wrap the nail. I put the acetone on the cotton ball. I kind of drain it a little bit, and I make sure the cotton ball is touching the natural nail only. Then I just wrap over, and then I twist, and then complete it by just squishing it in. Now, 1 hour later of soaking, this is what we're going to have. And I'm going to be going in with my Tammy Taylor gel brush. I said brush. I'm at my Tammy Taylor nail gel file brush, and I use it because it's a really fine brush to use. It's really delicate, and I'm only going to be filing off that loose, wet acrylic. I won't be touching really much of the natural nail like that because it's sensitive. It's already thin a little bit. It's soaked off, get a bunch of styling. So I just want to be gentle with it. And this is how we can safely do a soaking. with the matching nails. When you're done, line it up with the side walls of the nail. Make sure you check the sides to make sure that the nail point is going all the way up to the side wall. No gap. Then I'm just going to close it back, snug it more, make sure it's tight, and that's how I do it. Now that I have all Tammy Taylor, I'm going to go in with my acrylic, and this color is in natural, and I'm just going to bleed out my first bead and place that on the nail form like so. I'm going to pat and press and make sure I am connecting that acrylic with the nail tip. I'm acting as if this nail bead is like a nail tip, like a regular nail tip that you apply. I use that method, and so I'm just going to pat and press until I get my desired shape, which will be a stiletto. Now there is a lot of patting, pressing, and molding in this process, but I want the nail tip to be a crispy shape. Okay, you guys, that is going to be your pathway to having the best nail. Now I'm in with my second bead, and I just apply this at the top, and I bleed out the top of the bead using the belly of my brush to push the product down so it can flow. I turn the nail side to side to make sure that acrylic is connected to the side walls like so, because we don't want to take the nail form off and then find out that we have rolled side walls. So that's why I turn the nail side to side. Next is the crucial and scary cuticle bead. Now what I do is I get a nice healthy bead, I place it at the cuticle area, and as soon as I place it down, I turn the nail down, all the way down, because once that bead gets out, it's going to spread out. And if you have your nail pointed up at you, it will bleed up into the cuticle, and that is how you apply it. Now that sculpture nail is set, I go with my pinching tool and pinch the nail. That is how we get slender nails. And because you never know, right? When you keep doing this as the first look. Let me know how you guys love this tutorial. Let me know if you guys love this look. I absolutely adore it. Like, subscribe, and share.